Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get energy in Travel Town. In order to do so, here we are in the Travel Town app, and if you're interested in installing this, you can install this on the App Store or on Google Play. Let's go ahead and we're going to take a few moves here so that you can see how it is that you can get energy in Travel Town. So first off, we're going to merge the buckets. Then we want to keep on merging. Tap that. We're going to keep on tapping. Going to merge the pebbles. We're going to give the snail to the villager here. I'm going to keep on tapping so that we can get some more pebbles here. Now, I want to bring your attention here up at the top. You could see this icon that looks like a lightning bolt. That's your energy. So right now we could see that that's set to 94. So we're just going to take a few more moves here so that you could see for yourself how we can gain more energy. And let's see here. I think we want to tap some more of these. There we go. And you can see here at the top now that our energy has been going down. We're going to go ahead and click go now. Okay, so we create items, merge items, fulfill orders, and tap the map to upgrade the town. Going to get more pebbles on the board here. And we'll continue making some moves here. Okay, and after making a few moves here, we can go back to our villager here for some more rewards. You can see that our energy is still going down. We'll go ahead and continue making moves. Get some more pebbles on the board. And after some more moves, we'll go back to our villager. And we're making coins, but we still haven't gotten any energy. So that's what we want to get to. And after combining a few things, we have another starfish. Okay, so we could tap here now to go to Cozy Harbor. Building for sale, tap the button to open the menu. Purchase the building. We can upgrade. Continue upgrading. Okay, so we'll claim that. And you can see there that we have now gotten some more energy. So that's what it takes to basically get more energy, is you continue to play, and as you combine elements and you upgrade your town, then you will eventually gain more energy, and you do need energy in order to make moves in the game. So it will go down, but as you play the game, you can get more energy until you run out, and then you may have to come back later on in order to continue. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.